Good day, everyone. This is our gospel reading for this day from the Gospel of St. Matthew, chapter 12, verses 46 to 50, and I will read it for you. Jesus was still talking to the people when his mother and brothers arrived. They stood outside asking to speak with him. So one of the people there said to him, "Look, your mother and brothers are standing outside, and they want to speak with you." Jesus answered, "Who is my mother? Who are my brothers?" Then he pointed to his disciple and said, "Look, here are my mother and my brothers. Whoever does what my Father in heaven wants is my brother, my sister, and my mother." Ang sinabi po ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo sa ating Ibanghilyo ngayon ay, sino ang aking inay? Sino ang aking mga kapatid? Sila yung mga tumutupad, sila yung mga gumagawa sa kalooban ng Diyos Ama. At bilang isang Kristiyano na tagasunod po ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo, ay kunik natin yung ating kalooban sa kalooban ng Diyos. Natanggapin, sundin, at isabuhay natin ang gawa, turo, at kautusan ng ating Panginoon. At bilang kapamilya at magkakapatid, this is our mission, na to help one another and to love one another. Amen and Amen.